Hello everybody, my name is Kyle Koch and this is my project review for week 1 in Visual Frameworks. This week I decided to make my application about keeping track of your video game library that you may have. The reason I did this is, it's actually an app I would use because it's always good to keep track of what you own just in case there are those circumstances in which either things get stolen or something terrible happens. Hopefully not, but just in case, it keeps easier track of everything you've owned and will make it easier in the process of getting it all back. This first week, I didn't have anything really too bad that I encountered problem-wise. Mostly just maybe a few tags that I've left unclosed, which I got yelled at in the validator for, and was easily able to correct those issues. As you can see, the index page is pretty basic. There's some headers and articles in here, but other than that, it's a pretty basic setup. The things that actually were easier, as I switch over to my add item page, was actually making the form. I have done a little bit of HTML in the past, but I really didn't do too much, especially in the forms. So actually the form was much easier than I thought. Took a little bit of getting used to the tags, but once I got that rolling, it was quite an easy experience to get all functioning. Here's a quick peek at the app functioning, up and running. And just a basic page, and add a game, and then a really easy basic little form with your clear stored data and display data, and a submit game button that does nothing right now. How this fits into previous work? Well, basically, for me, it's used to do a little bit of HTML, so it builds upon the little bit I knew. And in terms of building upon SDI, right now it's kind of basic, but moving forward, we know we're going to be using JavaScript, so it's a building application that's going to use the JavaScript we've learned previously. And moving forward, this is a building block to make web apps and websites if we have to do that, which is going to be a very important thing because it's always good to know as much as you can to make yourself more and more valuable to employers. So I'm looking forward to continue working with HTML and CSS, and that is it for my video this week. I wish you all the best of luck, and we'll see you again for week 2 project review.